Hi, a quick date for home in Mother Russia. On the car, on the start of season 3. Car has got its springs on now. I did them, all finished, albeit slightly dangerously. The second one was much easier than the first, with a bit of experience. However, I still can't get it to start and run, so I've just taken it and delivered it to the service centre, where they will have a diagnostic tomorrow. And see what the problem is. Hopefully it's something minor, not something almost like it needs a new total body or something stupid like that, or a new motor or something. So hopefully we'll have an answer tomorrow. As soon as that's done, as soon as the car's back, we are heading to Novgorod at the quickest opportunity. Time's dragging on now. Summertime, we need to be up there, not here in St. Petersburg. So that's my update for home in Mother Russia. Hopefully I'll see you for another update when I've got the news tomorrow.